Hi, I'm Crystal Hawkins, a licensed professional counselor and licensed clinical alcohol and drug counselor. Welcome to Fill Your Cup First. Let's talk about emotional reasoning. It's something that a lot of people struggle with. Basically, it's when your feelings are being treated as if they're facts. It looks something like when you have an insecure feeling, and then you think because you feel insecure, something must be wrong with you. Or maybe you're feeling anxious. And so because you feel anxious, you think, oh, this must be dangerous. Or maybe you feel guilty. And because you feel guilty, you think maybe you've done something wrong. Or maybe other people think that you did something wrong. But the truth is, feelings are signals. They're not evidence against you. They tell you what's happening inside of you. And if you allow them to tell you what's happening inside of you, you can use them as cues to see what warrants further exploration or what needs to be tended to, rather than treating them as if they are facts or truth and acting upon them. When we rely on emotional reasoning, we assume our emotions are accurate, and that can keep us stuck, feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes it really can disconnect us from what's actually true. If you find yourself stuck in a cycle of emotional reasoning, here's something that you can try. It's called the fact check. Each letter stands for something that you can do. F is feeling. You name the emotion. I'm feeling anxious. I'm feeling unworthy. A is the assumption. What is the emotion telling you? This is where we lean into our curiosity a bit. So I'm feeling anxious, and my mind is assuming that I'm not capable. And then C is check the evidence. Look for facts that either support this or challenge it. You want to look at the whole story. So look for and against. And most of the time, you're going to see that the facts tell a very different story. And then T is the truth. So you rewrite the conclusion based on the evidence, not the emotion. So even though I feel anxious, the truth is I've handled things like this before. Even though I feel unworthy, the truth is I'm showing up and I'm trying. So this gives you room to consider the full picture instead of being one-sided. And it retrains your brain to respond to reality instead of emotion. You don't have to get rid of the feeling. You just don't want to build your decisions completely on emotion. If this message encouraged you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And of course, share it with someone who could use a little encouragement today. Until we meet again, remember to fill your cup first and then pour into others.